Hey folks, so today I'm going to show you how to make this raisin and carrot rice. So here we go. So I have here 1 raisins, grated carrot. This is about 3 garlic cloves finely chopped, 1 cup of rice, 1 small onion finely chopped. Here I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. So here's my pot on the stove. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add the onion, the garlic, saute this for a second or 2. My fire is on basically medium heat, medium to low heat. And I should say between medium and low. Okay? Now I'm going to add the carrots, raisins, it's smelling good already with that onion and garlic. I'm going to add the spices. Now I'm going to add the rice. I'm going to season it with some WhaToCook seasoning. That should do it. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of water and allow the rice to cook. At this point, I'll raise the heat to high and let this rice cook properly. Okay folks, here's my rice. Let's check on the rice. It's all done. I had it on a low heat and that has been cooking for about 50 minutes. So I'm going to turn off the stove and do a presentation. Alright folks, that is it for my simple rice. Raisin and carrot rice, really nice, something different, and I really enjoy it. That I'm gonna have this alone by itself without anything else. That's to tell you how good it is. All right, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Take care. Bye bye.